found it?
Yeah, use a cable.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, son.
I'm going to make an all characters on Bleach Sheep the Soul
Do
6.
something nice so I don't get upset and go, why did you make this, blah, blah, blah.
I know.
Okay, thank you, son. I'm going to put the fans on and I'm going to just hang out. I'm so burnt, I think I'm going to go to bed. Oh, I got to pick up Mom from tomorrow.
Here, let me help you sit up. I can sit up. There. How's that? Feed my lizard! Huh? What? My lizard! Feed some bugs! Where do I get the bugs? I usually just catch them in the corner over there.